Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number E14818A. 76,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, Granite crystal metallic in color. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Compass display. And there's of course where the backup camera display is as well. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and even more storage under the front passenger seat. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2 liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 30% tire tread left. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.